This is the water which is available here. I ordered food for me, that is biryani. Now Sunny Baji will come and he will order for you. Now we will have our food. हमने अभी पेट पूजा कर ली है. We have done our food and everything now. Now we are again heading towards Havali. So Havali, I want to buy a battery for my laptop. Guys, if you like the videos, kindly subscribe the channel so you will get the new updates, and I will give you more updates about Kuwait. How it is, how is the life of Kuwait. इसका 8 kd, this is for 8 kd and this is for 12 kd and this is for 20 kd. These both are different but it looks similar. इसके लिए ये हो गया. किधर जाने का? चलो. अरे तुम वीडियो देखेगा ना रूम में, फिर बेड पे सो के. अरे हाँ बाजी. This is also another shop next to this shop. Where you can find t-shirt, jeans, everything cheap price. Super dry. रुतबा Still we are in Parvania. I got one t-shirt for me, that was nice. And now we are going to Al Ghanim because there is an offer. Still we are in Parvania and we are going to this mall. Camera? Mafi? Okay. Camera is not allowed in all the stores. So friends, this is another big mall which is also there in Parvania. See, everywhere you can see 60% discount, but there are no customers because of the COVID pandemic. You can see how is the mall. This is Kuwait. Outside the temperature is very hot, but inside if you go into the mall the temperature is very cool. So we can say it's a best place to hide also from the sun. You can see, guys, how beautiful this place is. Press the like button, subscribe, share, kindly in my channel, so I will keep you updated with new videos, and we will see whole Kuwait. Finally we got one strap for the watch, this one and this one, both for Apple Watch. ये नहीं चाहिए भैया, these two, this one only. Both together. We are in Al Ghanim now. HP laptops. I want to check about the laptop. So this is Al Ghanim. Prices of drone, that is 115 KD. We are trying t-shirts. पाजी पकड़ो। ये तो एक डन है। ये तो डन ये। I got 2 shirts and 1 t-shirt from this Al Nasir. I got very good price. That is for 1 KD, 1 KD. It's nice. You can just go and check inside once you are going to Farwania. Now we are going in this Abdul Samad Qureshi. तुमको लिंक भेजता है मैं शाम को, देख लेना। ऑफर लगेल है लेडीज है। we are going up now to check if there is anything. Sports open.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Adidas shoes 15 KD, 15 equals to 3,500 around.
Small, we can sit
ये सब स्टॉक निकाल लेना. ये
together.
देखो.
So beautiful, you and me. We meant to be
चलो.
in the great outdoors, forever free.
जा रही है वो. So finally guys, we are now going to Haveli. Here everything, all our work is finished. Wanted to buy some t-shirts and all.
Take a step
So it's all done. Now we are going to Haveli.
to see the truth.
You can see the Range Rover, red color.
From a distance you can tell.
Guys, this is a bus stop here. You can just see how the bus stop looks like. And this is a bank, Kuwait Finance House. It's a bank.
Meant to be.
Okay guys, we are sitting again in the double-decker bus. I'm sitting on the front seat. So we're going to go down to the next stop only. That's why I'm sitting on the front seat. Okay. Like this is a bus. Round मार के आते हैं. Double-decker bus is total open from the top. Also there are charging ports in the bus. USB. It's already evening guys. जितना शूट हो सके मैं कर रहा हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग एज मच एज शूट पॉसिबल, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू सर्च माई बैटरी लैपटॉप. लेट्स सी गाइस, एक गाड़ी दिखी. आई विल शो यू. रोल्स रॉयस. यू कैन सी guys, you can see all these are the shops for laptop. They are buying and selling laptop, cheap price. Idle Techniques. So finally guys, I have got the battery from this shop. they are dealing in batteries, so I am taking from this sir. They are having also laptops, you can check. आप लोग लैपटॉप भी रखते हैं सर? Yes, this one is 80 KD, i5 4GB RAM, i7 8GB. All laptops and batteries and everything is available. And the battery section is this. So I have taken this battery. Okay. सर आपका नाम क्या है? मोहम्मद सजीर. You can come and ask for the battery for the laptop or any laptops also. For laptops.
Laptop batteries.
Thank
And for mainly for the POS product.
I will update the
Cash drawer,
details.
the POS machine, POS printers, and all we are dealing with this now.
Okay, okay, thank you sir. Guys, गाड़ी देख लो. See the car, guys. This is the hot chocolate लेते ना उधर से. So this is normal, the building of Kuwait, and that is guys, you can see that is a court है ना वो? Yeah, that is a court. There is a signature, and this is a normal building. Now we are going to Center Point. This is inside Center Point. Down, when you come on the ground basement floor, you will find all this. So finally guys, we are leaving from here. We are tired also. From morning 11 o'clock we have came, and I wanted to purchase battery. My work is finished. Sunny's work is also finished. Sunny Paji, thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share video. I will share more updates about. Again, I will come back to Haveli because I know the shooting of Haveli is not done properly. So one day I will come again and I will try to shoot the whole Haveli like Farwania how we did. So thank you guys. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.